So, if you have one of those 2019 Accord 1.5 turbo, every time you accelerate, you get one of those rattle on like when you're idling. It's because of this piece of shit right here.